Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Now record yourself going towards one end of the screen. You get my point? So I had to use this bush, understand? So you do as if you want to get something from the bush. So at some point you make a quick turn to see the zombies. You get my point? And then you can now start walking like them and then walk out of the screen just like what you see me do. Then you can save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. So guys, on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded. Guys, please like and share this video so YouTube will recommend it to many other people. You get my point? Subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. So guys, I will want to tap on where I want the video to begin, to start. So I will tap on this particular part where the character wants to turn to see the zombies. So I will just tap on the video layer. Now tap on split, then I will delete the beginning of the video. You get my point, as this is how I want the video to start. So the next thing for you to do is to tap on overlay, tap on add overlay, then bring the zombies right here. So go and look for remove BG. So look at it here, click on it, tap on chroma key. Now move this circle to where it shows green. You get my point? And then you increase the intensity to 30. Just make it 30. You get my point? Bring it back to 30. What's wrong with your hand, bro? So you can also increase the shadow to 40. You can leave it at 40. When you are done with that, you tap on this OK button. Let's go back to the main page. You get my point? So guys, you can click on this navigation button. Let's go back. So from here you can now adjust the zombies. Just try to make it big a little so it will match with what you are doing. You know how to do that. It's a little adjustment. So guys, if you are a complete beginner and you want me to mentor you on video editing, 1 month, 2 months, guys, I'll be able to assist you. I will teach you everything you need to know about video editing, getting green screen effect and how to use them. I will do that for you. You get my point? All you need to do is to chat me on WhatsApp. Let's strike a deal. You get my point? So guys, let's go towards the ending part of the video. You see that the effect is longer than the main video, so you tap on the effect and then adjust it so it will align at the end of the video. You get my point? So you can also increase the size of the zombies. So when you are done with all these things, you don't have much things to do again. It's just for you to save the video to your gallery, and that's all. So guys, see you in our next video.